I was designing the shower area in my bus that's converted into an RV, I really struggled with what to do to hang the shower curtains and have a nice open area. And then I found these little copper coated metal suspension hangers and thought, oh, you betcha, this is the way to go. And I gotta tell you, I am so pleased. They're so easy to install, and they give some visual texture and character to my shower. I also have them at the back wall of the shower area with 2 of them for a towel hanger, and that worked out really well too. Think outside the box when you're doing your DIY projects. I get more compliments about these little things than any single thing in this bus.